I guess, sorry, my baby actually switched off the Wi-Fi, so I need to give you another link. 1 second. I'm just pasting this on Twitter. You can use that. Pasting it in Discord. And in my Telegram. Sorry about that. I've shared my link once again if you're on the call. I'll check on Square, but if you want to join, you can pull. I don't know whether let me post. Maybe I've lost. Yes, baby is the boss. Yes, we are back. So we're talking about crowd. Sorry. And you have babies in the house, all this thing happens. So we have crowd. Crowd, as I said, was trying to make a comeback and what it head and shoulders. But now it's looking weak. Let me give one more minute so that people can join in, because that's an issue on my end. No problem, Jeremy. I have time today, so I'm more than happy to share what I know. So here, you see it's inverted head and shoulders. It tried to break out, and from 189, it almost hit 205, but failed. And now it's negative with a massive bearish engulfing candles back to back. Now, question is, what will happen tomorrow? If it comes around 160, that's a good area. But with cybersecurity, I don't think that that's a very good theme as of now. It was a theme right here when it saw a massive move, but not at this thing. So I'll be seeing if it trades below 184, it can bounce. If it goes below this, it's gonna go further. So as a small trade, crowd, because this is here, I'm just giving a neutral. Buy near 170. If you get with a stop loss of, this is 170, stop loss of 166. Move towards 184, towards the 12 and 34 EMA. %60 ER stock. Okay, then we have ITSI. ITSI has broken some good supports. It after the earnings, it tried to bounce, try to capture this 154, 153 area, but failed. So now the only support it has is this area, which is 147. If it goes below 147, it's going to come and fill the gap of 129. So again, I'm short on ITSI, sell below 147. Stop loss is 151, which is 34 EMA. Target is the gap. High here is 129.80. Low here is 131. So 129.80 should fill the gap. JPM, I'll do the formatting later on. JPM is like an abandoned baby right now. You see, it's green candle and it's abandoned baby. Tomorrow, if somehow it bounces, again, there are gaps on JPM as well at 100. So if it loses 127, that will be nasty. But in this case, it's bouncing right from this area. If you can get it around 127, 128, I'll be looking to add JPM neutral at near 128. That's the area, 128. 29. Stop loss 127.50. And targets were 132. 50 and 136, 137. If it bounces, Microsoft is weak. Along with Apple, Microsoft is the one stock which will go down the drain. It will break. It has bounced from 270 multiple times, but I think it's time for it to go down and come to some serious areas. Let me just if it loses 278, because right now that 278 is really important area. So I would be selling. That's a 5% move on 4% move. But in this market, if it happens, and that level may come tomorrow. Sell below 278, it's going to hit 270. 269, 70, 263. 263 is something I'm looking to on Microsoft. It is one of the weakest stocks comparatively, and I want to keep a stop loss of 281 in this case. Now it may go there, it may not go there, but the short trade is at this price. NVDA, again, it loses 218, end of story, it's going to come to 197. Very simple trade, short, sell below 218.90, stop loss 223, target is 197. And this will be quick dump. Like the way it went up, the way it will come down. LMT, I'm not sure. Like last time we were talking LMT, it was like 394. And now it's bouncing. It has targets of around 560, above 470. So if it opens above 470, I'll be taking a trade. 470 to 520. Only if it opens. I'm seriously positive on LMT. Buy above 470. Stop loss will be 455. Target is 520, 563. Tesla, I am short. Tesla is trying its best to hold this 845, 846 area, but no, it's failing. Every time it comes around this area, it's struggling. It's not able to hold this 12 EMA. Now tomorrow, I don't know where it will open, but if it opens below 822, I will be selling this. I'll be converting to neutral in Tesla if it holds above this regression line, which is 845 and above. So I'll make a note. Turn sides on Tesla above 845. 845 is the stop loss. Target is 779, 773. 60%. So that's my trade. All right, I will post this information on the Twitter, so you can have a look. If anyone has any questions, let me know. I can share the Zoom link here. If anybody is interested, we can talk. Otherwise, we can close this conversation and enjoy the evening. So I'm sharing the link if anybody is interested. So the link is there. If anybody is interested, do let me know. Thank you, Jeremy, once again. If you have any questions, do let me know. I'll open the mic. Yes, Varun.
Yeah, looks like a Snap and the Square are about to gap fill. Just want to check, confirm.
Square, let me just check Square. Yes, Square will fill the gap, 94. Yes. That's a good trade, in fact. Let me add that to the list. Square. Square. It's short. $101.75. Stop loss will be, I'll keep it 106. Target is right there, 94.77. Okay, thank you for this, Varun.
Yeah, no. Also, Snap also looks like similar only. Snap.
Give me 1 second.
Okay.
Guys, give me 1 minute.
Okay.
Go. Close the door. Go, bye. The babies are always playing with things. All right. So second was Snap.
Yeah.
Snap, I am not even interested. Like it was trying its best to hold this 40, but you see Fibonacci of 23.6, so strong. It could not break out. Now it will come to 28 for sure.
Yeah, that I'm in short side only. I was telling short. Earnings, it had a gap up.
See, one more thing. Gap fill is one logic. Second thing, it's also making a double top, right?
Double top, yeah.
Right, so it should come here.
Yeah.
Because all these companies are going to lose substantial margin when these are not going to be accessible in Russia. Right?
Yeah, Facebook also.
Facebook, I have already included. It's a short.
You included, no? They are
Yes,
losing
yes.
13 million users or something. Yeah.
Yes. Facebook going to lose, I think it's going to come to 160, 170 very easily.
Okay.
It's already here.
Shopify, is it a double bottom, or I see a bearish engulfing candle on the weekly chart?
1 second, let's check that. Shopify is not able to breach this 12 EMA at all on all the time frames. Let's go to weekly. Weekly is bearish engulfing. But it did not make like it's bearish engulfing. It covered the body, but it did not make a new low. It made a higher low and a higher high. So if it loses this 580 area, then it will be bad. It can come down to 546 area then. It went in straight line, it will come down. It's actually valued to be like 300 something. That's what my understanding is. It should be around 300.
300. Okay. Yeah, looks like it may fall, I think, after this Fed meeting.
Yes.
Also, Boeing has a gap fill from 150 to 170.
It will be filled.
It will be filled, right?
Every gap will be filled, no matter what. You just need to remember this is the gap you're talking about. I know.
Yeah. This
will be filled. See, gaps are always filled, no matter what. It does take time, but they always filled.
Yeah, slowly it is inching downwards. Yeah, I'm not sure, like reopening.
Not slowly, like stocks. Tomorrow you might see 165, 168 opening.
I'm not sure all the reopening stocks are going down, like CCL, NCLH,
yes,
airlines.
Because crude prices are going higher, right? Crude prices impact really, like airlines will get serious impacted from them.
Got it. Yeah.
So they're not going to come. Like they will not even be able to make money if they are running their planes. They're going to increase the cost, and they cannot increase the cost substantially to cover up the losses for crude.
Yeah,
so that's why I'm saying recession can come if crude prices cannot be controlled. Let's see, where is the crude? 126 it was. It went to 130 today. Now it's a little lower, but still $8. I've not seen crude jumping like this, $8. Like if you
2008 it was like that, I think. 2008 during 2008 recession.
Like it didn't jump like this. It was going up daily, $2, $3, $5, but not like 10%. No. See, I don't remember if MRO. If I go back to maximum, this is 2008, right? This is monthly. So in monthly MRO right now is 23. It went on to make 42 from $11. So it still has to go up. People who do not trade Oxy can trade MRO. And same goes for Oxy. Oxy in 2007 was not even like 100 and above. It's like 2007-8 when prices went to 140 was 11-12. At that time it went to 117. So as I said, there's a substantial move which is due in Oxy.
117, yeah. I think long consolidation, it might go up, I think. Yeah.
It may cross 117 very easily. So keep an eye on Oxy. If you have to trade Oxy.
Tomorrow, I think, yeah.
Even if crude goes down, crude was 114, it was 117. Okay. Now crude is about 125. It should be at least 100. It's still trading at 57.
Yeah, tomorrow I will take this.
It will move.
Uh-huh.
Market broke 4260 area. This is not at all good. Gold is
40.
second, which can go up to 2000 and 2000 plus. You see right here, gold is making
Cup and handle. Uh-huh.
This is monthly. If it breaks out, it's gonna go some seriously higher moves, and this is a move of the decade.
Oh yeah. Looks like break. This one also is going up, like aluminum AA is there. Alcoa Corp.
Aluminium is going up because of the war, but gold is going up because of the Fed. So gold will sustain. And you see, it's a clear cup and handle. Anybody who wants to see, this is a consolidation.
Yeah.
Consolidation went up, came back, and it's taking its time. A break of 2000, it's not going to stop. So if you want to see gold options, they're already going to be very expensive. If you look at April options on gold, see, they're already $30, $40. If it breaks out about 2000, you might see a 10% rally in itself, non-stop.
Oh.
All right.
Yeah. Thank you.
No problem. Yes, Surya.
Hey, Naval, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Thanks. Actually, you guys covered shop that I had questions. So other question I had is Qualcomm. I had some comments. I was hoping it would correct. I don't see anyone.
Don't hope. Look at the price section.
Yeah.
Just look at the price section. It's failing. All the chip stocks, they moved. There is a big gap.
Yeah.
That has been filled.
Yeah, I'm right at there. I was actually, my average is at 175. I was thinking maybe better to close it now and probably see.
How many stocks you have? 100?
80, not even 100, 80, 70.
Make them 100.
Okay.
And start selling calls.
Okay.
Bring your price down. Start selling calls.
Okay.
Because it will go down. It will spend some time in the market at around this rate. If you don't want to do that, then book the loss.
Okay.
It might open at 155, 157 area tomorrow.
Wow.
Looking at the market.
Okay. And when you say gold, right? If I can't trade futures, is the ETF is much similar? GLD Nugget. Okay.
If you look at Nugget on the month, I see since 2011, it has been, it's going to break out. This is the monthly candle of Nugget.
Okay.
It has stock split so many times that the value is insignificant right now, but it's going to break out.
I see. Okay.
If you look at the last 5 years, it was around 200.
Yeah, 200.
It will come 200.
2020, right? COVID, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. That's a good tip.
No problems. Anyone else? All right. Thank you then. I'll post the information on Twitter and my Telegram channel. Bye-bye. Good night.
Naval, thanks very much. Bye.
No problems. Bye.